The process for replacing a 2012 Mercedes-Benz key fob battery starts with opening the case and removing the old coin cell battery. These models typically use a CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually along the back edge. Insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the slot. Gently twist to pop the halves apart. For 2012 models, release the small plastic clip holding it together. Once open, the CR2032 battery is visible in a holder. Gently pry it out, noting the orientation with positive side up. Tweezers can help. After removing the old battery, place the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation as the old one. Ensure it's seated firmly to avoid loose connections, which can drain the battery faster. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob on your vehicle to ensure it works. If it doesn't work immediately, you may need to reprogram it via the car's menu. This typically involves holding the lock, unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. If issues persist, consult your vehicle's manual or a trusted technician.